This video demonstrates how to unpack the Xerox B305 or B315 printers. Using a utility knife, cut the tape on the top and sides of the box. Remove the install guide and the plastic bag that contains the product safety guide and software CD. Remove the power cord. Remove the foam packing. Lift the printer out of the box and place it on the desktop. Open the plastic bag and remove the printer. Remove the tape and foam from the top of the printer. Remove the tape from the sides of the printer. Open the top cover. Remove the orange tape and foam from the document glass. Remove the film covering the control panel. Close the cover. Remove the tape from the back of the printer. Release the gray tab and open the front door. Using the green handle, pull the imaging unit out of the printer. Press the blue release handle and lift the toner cartridge out of the imaging unit. Remove the foam protector from the drum and cartridge. Insert the toner cartridge into the imaging unit and push down until the cartridge is seated. Shake the cartridge 3 times to redistribute the toner. Remember, do not touch the drum. Holding the green handle, insert the imaging unit into the printer until it is seated. Close the front door. Remove the paper tray. Slide the paper guides open to accommodate the paper. Fan the paper and ensure the paper edges align. Insert the paper into the tray. Adjust the paper guides to the correct paper position. Insert the paper tray into the printer and close the tray. Connect the power cord to the back of the printer, then plug the power cord into a properly grounded electrical outlet. The B315 has a fax connection. Connect the fax cable to the printer and to a phone jack. The B305 and B315 printers have connections for USB or Ethernet cables. The unpacking of the printer is complete. The Xerox B305 and B315 printers power on and Wi-Fi video shows how to power on the B305 and B315 printers and set up Wi-Fi.